Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add Pabbly Form Builder leads to Zendesk account automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. Pabbly Form Builder is a form building software application and Zendesk is a customer support software. So the idea here is that you have created a contact form using your Pabbly Form Builder account and you have shared that form with your customers to get the form filled, or you have embedded that form on a website. Now you want that whenever any of the customer fills your contact form, automatically using the details of the customer, a new user should get created into your Zendesk account. For this, we need to create a connection between Pabbly Form Builder and Zendesk. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So we are back on my screen. Here we have to type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. You will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create a workflow. For that, click on this plus sign, create workflow. Here you have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Pabbly Form Builder to Zendesk integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills your Pabbly Form Builder form, automatically his details should be added as a new user to your Zendesk account. For that, open this trigger window. Choose the application name as Pabbly Form Builder. Select the trigger event as new form submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Pabbly Form Builder specific form. So I'll copy this webhook URL from here and I'll take you to my Pabbly Form Builder dashboard, and from here itself we can access the dashboard by clicking on these 9 dots and simply click on Pabbly Form Builder. Okay, so I have already logged in through some other account. I have just opened my dashboard over here. And in the Pabbly Form Builder account, I have created some forms over here. Enrollment form, application form, contact form. So we are going to access this contact form for the integration. And here you can see that I have 0 submissions. So we are going to just click on this 3 dots and click on edit. And in this particular form, I have taken the basic fields of the customer, that is the name and the email address. So if you want to add some more fields, you can just select the fields from here. You can add it to your form and you can save the form. And once you save this particular form, simply click on this share button. And here you will get the form link. So you can share this particular form with your customers to get the form filled. Or here you can find the embed sliding form, full form or pop-up form. So you can select the form as per your requirement to embed it on a website. Okay. Now let's move back to the form. And here we are going to create an integration between this particular contact form and Pabbly Connect. So that whenever this form is filled by the customer, the details will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So we have to create an integration. For that, come to this integrations tab, click on it. And here we have to select the form name on which we want to create the integration. So the form name is contact form. And here we have to click on this add webhook button. And here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and simply click on save. Okay, and here we can see that the webhook is saved on this particular form named contact form. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let's scroll down And here we have to click on Recapture Webhook Response button. Do you wish to recapture the response? Let's click on Yes. Now it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So let's move to the form. Here we are going to just click on this I button to open the form in a new tab. And here we are going to fill the details of the customer. First name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. And let's click on Submit. Your message submitted successfully. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now we have to move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customer through the form submission are captured over here. First name as Adam, last name as Smith and his email address. Now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new user should get created into your Zendesk account. For that, come to this action step. Choose the application name as Zendesk. Select the action event as Create User. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. And now it is asking for the Zendesk username, Zendesk password and the subdomain. So here we are just entering the details, that is your login details, and then I will be moving to the subdomain section. So I have entered the username and my password over here. Now subdomain is required, your Zendesk subdomain, example Pabbly help from your Zendesk. So if this is your URL, then Pabbly help will be your subdomain. So I'll take you to my Zendesk dashboard over here. And here we can find the subdomain. So I'll be simply copying this subdomain from here and I'll be pasting the same subdomain over here. So Pabbly165 is my subdomain. And let's click on Save. And now the Zendesk account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Zendesk account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Zendesk account. Now here we have to map the name, email address and other details of the customer. So we have already got the details from the form submission, that is your Pabbly Form Builder form submission. So we are going to map these details now. Let's come to the name and here we have to map it from Pabbly Form Builder and this is the first name and in the same way we'll be mapping the last name also. Here the email is required. So let us map the email address also. Now, if you're having all other details, you can map the details. I am not having these details, so I'm just leaving it as blank. Here you have to select the role. You can select it as agent or admin or end user as per your requirement. I am just selecting it as end user. Here you have to select the organization name, that is Pabbly in my case, automatically selected. And let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see that a response is received. It means a new user is created into your Zendesk account. Let's check it. Here we'll be moving to the contacts or the customers section. Okay, and here we can see that Adam Smith is added as a new contact or a new user over here. So in this way, our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now this is a one-time process. We have created the automation. Next time, whenever any of the customer is going to fill your Pabbly Form Builder contact form, automatically his details will be added. The customer details will get added as a new user to your Zendesk account. So we have to check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll move to my Pabbly Form Builder account once again and I'll just open the contact form in a new tab so that we can fill in the details on the name of some other customer. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as Shikha Arya 22@gmail.com and let's submit the form. Your message submitted successfully. So the form has been filled. Now let us check our Zendesk account. We have to refresh it. Okay, and here we can see that Shikha Arya is added as a new user to your Zendesk account. And in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using those details of the customer, automatically a new user was created into your Zendesk account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Zendesk using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.